idea bakit nila ako pinipage?
No, ma'am.
Iwan ko muna sa'yo yung asawa ko, ha? Aakit lang ako dun sa 3rd floor.
Sige po, ma'am.
Nakaabang na yung sasakyan ko sa labas.
Bilisan na natin bago pumulik si Patricia.
Kilala niyo ho ba yung lalaki?
Si Evan. Abogado namin yan, family friend. Kumpare siya ng asawa ko. Pinagplanuhan nila to.
Let's have a vote. Those in favor of Attorney Rona's advice to sanction Attorney Matias, please raise your hand. There seems to be a tie.
But you haven't voted yet, Attorney Mer. And as the presiding officer, you have the power to break the tie. So, what is your decision going to be? Vote to give a warning to Attorney Matias? Or will you vote to impose a sanction and set a precedent for Keystone?
Masyado na pong lumiliit yung mundo para magkasama pa tayong dalawa. Aalis na lang po ako. Paalam po, Lady Justice.
Nakakatawa.
Buti na lang.
Aww. You're leaving? Bakit? Bakit ngayon lang?
Panalo kayo ngayon dahil dapa ako. Pero babangon at babangon ako. Kilala niyo ko, mas malakas ako sa inyo.
So Lilette decided to leave Keystone. Is she unaware of the decision made by the partners? As the presiding officer, it is your vote that is needed to break the tie, Attorney Mer. So, will you go with the recommendation of Attorney Rona or the suggestion of Attorney Constantino?
Naniniwala ako na may pagkakamali talagang nagawa si Attorney Matias. And we should not take these things lightly. At the same time, no harm was done. So perhaps we could explain to PMMA of the non-submission and its implications, and that we have rectified the situation already. So it is only fair to give Attorney Matias a warning for now. And I will not let her go as you have suspected, Attorney Constantino.
I don't understand, Mer. I thought you wanted to get back at Lilette. This morning, you had your chance. And I'm surprised that you're willing to risk one of our biggest clients just to give Lilette a second chance. Why did you vote against sanctioning her?
Hindi ko rin alam, Spanky. All this time, hinihintay kong magkamali si Lilette para magamit ko yon laban sa kanya. Pero kanina nung nagbobotohan na, I just couldn't get myself to do it. Hindi ko pala kayang abusuhin ng posisyon ko para lang makaganti sa iba. Anyway, it's moot and academic now. Kasi kahit deciding factor pala yung vote ko, nag-resign din naman si Lilet. And we're not going to lose our client anyway. So I got what I wanted.
But is that really what you want? You want to see her leave?
Nandun po si sa bibig.
Sige po. Salamat. Bye!
I'm just so happy na wala na si Lilet. Wala nang mamubwisit pa sa araw ko. Good riddance.
But you know what? Medyo nakakasad din pala na wala na si Lilet sa law firm.
What? Seryoso ka ba?
Eh kasi, isang beses pa lang ako nakaganti sa kanya. And now that she's gone, wala na akong chance to make her life miserable.
There will be other opportunities, Trixie. Basta buti pa rin na wala na si Lilet dito. I don't want her anywhere near with my mom. It's too risky.
Risky? What do you mean?
Excuse me. I have to take this call. What do you want?
May malaking problema tayo. Asa opisina ka pa ba?
Yes, I'm here at work. Teka, ano sinasabi mo may problema tayo?
Si Ramir, magaling na siya, nakakapagsalita na siya. And I suspect na papunta siya ngayon dyan sa opisina para kausapin si Lilet at ang mami mo. Para i-reveal na mag-ina sila.
What?